it's getting easier and easier now for the clients to start doing themselves. Probably another 2 or 3 years, because that's kind of our business model as well, is to empower drone program within entities. So we don't need to fly for you anymore. The drones are a lot easier to fly, a lot easier to operate, and drones are becoming safer and safer and smarter and smarter. So within 2 to 3 years, us flying will become less and less and less and less, to eventually become very niche clients where I don't want to get involved. I don't want my own drone.
It's a done for you service.
Yes, exactly.
Do it for me. I don't want to know.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's your first type of kind of business, right?
Yes.
Which is your target addressable market is who? Construction companies?
Construction company, infrastructure, anybody that want to build, right?
Okay.
So mostly the job would come to us from whomever's doing the actual work. The end client would be whomever it is. It could be DEWA, it could be the municipality, it could be a private owner. So, but mapping is mandatory process.
Sure.
Before anything, because you need to measure the land to be able to do anything. You want to lay a road, you want to put a building, you have to map. On a building site, it's too small, you don't need a drone, because it's just one picture. It just doesn't make sense. You bring a ground surveyor, he takes a few points, submit, done. But on any large site, you have to use drones, especially railways or highways, because it goes for miles and miles and miles. So we could do, let's say, 100-kilometer road literally in a day. But for a construction site, you need to keep moving, putting the tripod, moving, dropping the tripod. So you can imagine the time it's going to take.
And then put together all of these points.
And then processing all this data and then submit it.
Okay.
So these are, that one vertical and that set of client.